Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this gorgeous green eyeshadow look that is absolutely perfect for special occasion parties or any event where you want your eyes to stand out. So green is such a unique shade, it really makes the brown eyes pop, but it is also look amazed on all eyes colors. So first thing first, I've already set my lid with concealers and set them so our eyeshadow blends smoothly. So now I'm going in with the lightest green shade from my palette. Using with a fluffy blending brush, I am applying this into the crease area only, not on the lid, just across the crease and outer area. I am blending it in with the back and forth windshield wiper motions, keeping it soft and even. This will be a transition shade and it is super important because it creates that gradient effect later when we layer on the deeper color. So next, I am picking up a brown matte eyeshadow on slightly smaller blending brush. I am placing this onto the outer corners of my eyes, focusing on the V area. Once I have placed the color, I am using the same blending brush to diffuse it. Now, I am taking the mid-tone green shade just a little darker than the first one and applying it where the green and brown met. I am softly pulling it inward so that the shades meld together. This combination of light green and brown creates such pretty transition. It's not a harsh mix but a smooth blend that gives the eyes the professional finish. I am using gentle back and forth motions here to ensure everything looks seamless. Remember, the trick is to blend them, not to overblend. You still want to see the gradient light green, darker green and brown. Now for some sparkle, I am picking up a very shimmery green shade and applying it from inner corner of my lid all the way to the center of the eyelid. Instead of using a brush, I am using my fingertip here because shimmer shadow always apply more vibrant and sparkly with the warmth of your finger. Next, I am taking an angled brush and dipping it into the brown eyeshadow again. I am using it to sketch out a soft wing on the outer corner. This will act as a guideline for my eyeliner. Doing this step first will ensure both eyes have a matching shape, so I don't ended up with a one wing longer than the other. Once I've mapped out the shape, I'm going over with my actual eyeliner. I am creating a soft thin line across the lash line and connecting it to the wing I drew with the brown eyeshadow. This makes the liner look smooth, even and perfectly symmetrical. So it really gives soft finish look and stunning the underlights. And I love how it ties the whole look together. I am using some glittery chunks just above the eyeliner to get that really nice sparkly look. To balance the top and bottom, I am taking a small detail brush and applying the same brown eyeshadow along my lower lash line, just from the outer corner to the middle. This creates harmony and prevents the eyes from looking too top heavy. Now I am applying the same shimmer green eyeshadow to my lower lash. Now I am adding some definition with kajal. I am applying a dark pencil kajal to my waterline. To highlight, I am popping a bit of glitter. Now I am making inner corners with the using Mars eyeliner. I am applying the false lashes with the help of tweezers. I am using durable mascara. I am starting at the roots of my lashes and wiggling the wand upwards to give the volume and the separation. So here's the final look.
Say what you wanna say to